Hello guys, today I've got the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion and I'm going to show you all the gestures that are included in the Motorola device. So actually, let's start with the first one. So as you can see, the whole list can be found in the settings here, gestures, and as you can see here we've got the Kinetic gestures, and let's start with them. As you can see, quick launch, double tap the top third of the phone back to trigger custom actions. Tap this gear icon to edit this. Tap strength. Here we've got gentle tap, moderate, or hard tap. Let me, for example, open the take screenshot. Top third is here. I was fighting with the same gesture yesterday. Let me quickly. I took off the case and now it works. As you can see, it works here. Let me now take my case back on because we won't need this again. And let me go even further. Oh, let's go back here because my phone will be moving if it's not here. Okay, now quick capture. Twist your wrist and twice quickly to open the camera anytime. Make sure this is enabled, and now it's like this. You should hear actually the vibration. Okay, I hit the microphone, but you should hear and feel the vibration in your phone, which means it works. Fast flashlight. Turn your flashlight on or off with 2 chopping motions. Make sure this is enabled. It works. Lift to unlock. Unlock your device by picking it up and looking at the screen. Enable it and enable face unlock to use it. Enter your PIN code. Set up the unlock with the face. Make sure this is ticked to your own preferences. And now align your face in this circle. It's me. Face unlock is active. Hit done. Use lift to unlock. And now. I need to get this to work, so wait a moment. Now it works, but I need to do this dynamically. Let me get closer, and now let me pick up this. And as you can see, unlock it by face. That's how it works. If you have this option to skip the lock screen set up, everything should work better, but I don't have it because it will irritate me. Pick up to silence. Silence the ringer during an incoming call by lifting up the phone, and others can also be silenced. So let me enable this, and as you can see, if you hit this gear icon, you can manage the settings of it. Let me set an alarm to show you the usage of this. Now it's 3:43. Maybe 3:44 will be good if I manage to somehow do this. 3:44. Okay. Now we need to only wait. Alarm here. Oh, pick up for silence. And do this again. Now it worked. As you can see, now it's silenced. We need to fight this somehow, but as you can see, it's that cool. Sorry, I wanted to play with that. It's that cool. So now let me enter my pin code back again, and let's go to the, I think, final gesture. Flip for DND. Enable this, and now flip your phone to enable the DND. You should feel the vibration, hear the vibration actually motor, so that you can, you know, make sure that you have this DND. And actually that's it, how it helps you, and goodbye. As you can see, we don't have many more gestures, so that's it. Goodbye.